So for today, we're gonna do something a little bit different. So this is actually gonna be the first video of our Life Upgraded series. So this playlist is gonna be your insider guide for some small things or some large things that you could do to actually upgrade some spaces in your life and some areas in your personal life. They don't have to be expensive, they don't have to be cheap, but we'll show a range of different products and different things from around the house items, personal items, shopping hauls, etc, etc. Check out some of the other playlists that we have on the channel. Let's get into the video. For today's video, this is my first time, like I have colognes and things of that nature, but this will be my first time actually buying a real cologne, like an adult. I guess an adult cologne, is that a good word? I like to say about 90%, 85-90% of the research I did, it all pointed to this one cologne, and it's actually what I have behind me. We're gonna do an unboxing on it. So this cologne name is Louis Vuitton. It's by Louis Vuitton, the Ombre Nomade. So what actually sold me on the cologne is I went to one of the Louis Vuitton stores here in Chicago, and I got these samples, the Ombre Nomade sample, and then I got two other samples, which is Orage and is this, I can't really pronounce it, Lemoncetti or Lemoncetti. When I got them in the store, all of them smelled great. As time went on, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, these smelled like, the other two smelled like regular colognes. But the Ombre Nomade, it was different. I can't even describe it. And the longer it sat on the actual card, the stronger the scent got. And it's not an annoying scent. It was just, you could tell that the scent was there. It's not too strong or anything where like you feel stuffy or you feel like claustrophobic about the smell, but you can tell it's there. So the crazy thing, I got these scents at like 11 in the morning. By 7 that night, the other two scents, let me actually turn them around for you so you can see. These other two scents, they were about worn off and gone. But meanwhile, the Ombre, it was even stronger than it was earlier in the day. I sat both of them down in the room, went to sleep. Next morning, these scents completely gone, can't smell them. I kid you not, I walk into the room, and not the entire room, but like, let's say like a 4 to 5 foot window around this card, you could instantly smell it, like somebody just sprayed cologne. Maybe this is just my first time, maybe because this is my first time with a real cologne, or it's just, let's get into the unboxing. Actually, it's been 3 or 4 days since I went to Louis Vuitton and she sprayed and gave me this sample. I kid you not, it is still, if you walk into the room, a 3-4 foot window, you will still smell this cologne. Let's unbox it. Okay, so here's the actual box that I got from the Louis Vuitton store. I was sort of thrown off with it felt like a Christmassy theme, but I won't complain. So inside of the box, I ordered the 100 ml bottle. I wanted the 200 ml, but that one was sold out. Let's just open this. This is the smallest thing that we have in the in my package. I believe these are actually going to be the samples that I ordered. Les Parfums, Louis Vuitton. Oh, what's this? Celebrate him with Louis Vuitton, an invitation to embark upon an unprecedented journey with 2 exceptional fragrance collections. Just so you guys can see. Along with, here's my 2 samples actually. I don't know if I did order this one. The Le Lemoncetti, that was one of the samples that I had. I don't know if I ordered that one, I'll double check. But I also ordered another Ombre Nomade because I didn't know if I could take this one on the plane with me. So I'll just take this one in case. And I'll open that one right now. It's a 2 ml, so we'll just open that. And I was actually reading online and I heard the samples are more potent than the actual large container. And let's check this out. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted, blah, blah, some self-care instructions and things like that. So again, I ordered the 100 ml bottle. I wanted the 200, but it was sold out countrywide. The 100, I was surprised when she said that I could get refills after I fill this up. So yes, it is a little expensive. It was $398, so like $4 something with tax. And then you can do a refill. I believe she said it was $125. So after this completely runs out, just take the bottle into a Louis Vuitton store and they'll do a refill for you. She said they also do that on the 200 ml bottles. I believe those bottles are $595, and then again it's $125 for a refill. That's the bottle I really want, and I'm going to engrave that bottle with my name also. So here's the actual bottle. And let's just see what else is in here really quick. What is this? Are these more samples? Ombre Nomade. I have 2 more samples. Wow. And more wrapping. Oh, these are actually the samples I ordered. Yeah, Ombre Nomade and Stellar Times. These are the actual ones that I ordered. Okay. So the other 2, I appreciate that actually. Okay, so here's the actual bottle. I mean, everything's like so minimal and so sleek and modern. I love stuff like that. And here's the actual bottle. That is branding. I mean, just look at this. That is absolute branding. You also can get your name or initials engraved. I hate I didn't do it. It was free. I should have did it. I will do it next time on my 200 ml bottle. I'll get that done. This is like a sense of art. This is a work of art. So let's see, how do we actually spray it? I believe I just do that. Everyone has told me that you really don't need more than 1 or 2 sprays of this. I said I was gonna do 1 on my skin when I get out of the shower, and then if I go out for the day, I'll put 1 more on the inside of my clothes just to see. Oh my goodness. This smells, oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That's nice. Oh my goodness. It's not overbearing at all. It's just an amazingly good smell that's just there. In all honesty, I've been sitting here trying to find words to describe. Look, if you're thinking about buying this, just get it. So if you guys have any comments, or if you've actually owned this cologne, or if you smelled it before, drop down in the comments and give your thoughts on it. What you like, what you dislike, how long it lasts, the smell, impressions you got, just anything. Drop it down in the comments, and I'm curious to what other people think about this, because maybe I'm just exaggerating because this is my first cologne. I don't know, but this is. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos coming. This smells so, oh my goodness. So until the next one, see you guys later.